Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Fantom, whose current price stands at the $0.3118 mark, and here on TradingView the market is up by 3.31%. We are seeing a very nice recovery to the upside, and in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. Fantom from the all-time high has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, which has now taken us to around the $0.19 mark. Here on the daily chart, you can see we had been trading within this channel. We managed to break out of that channel to the upside. We also managed to break above a key area of resistance at around the $0.38 mark, and as we are trying to have a retest of that key area of support, we lost that key area of support, and we have continued seeing lower prices in this massive pullback. And if I jump to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 4-hour chart, you can also see that we had the formation of a double top, which is a pattern that normally breaks to the lower side, having the target area of that breakout as the height between the tops and the neckline. But we did not manage to break out of that chart pattern, and that chart pattern was giving us a target area to around the $0.23 mark. But as we tried to have a breakout out of that chart pattern, we found support at around the $0.28 mark, and we saw a very nice recovery to the upside. We even managed to break above key areas of resistances over here. We even saw a retest of that key area of resistance, and after the retest was a success, we continued pushing even higher. And in that movement to the upside, we had also been trading within this channel, and we managed to break out of that channel to the lower side. And after breaking out of that channel, we have continued seeing lower prices. Here on the 4-hour chart, I was also terming this movement to the upside as an Elliot wave structure, having this as the first wave to the upside. Then we saw a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave B, then continued pushing higher in the formation of a wave 3. Then I expected to see a retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 4, then continue pushing higher in the formation of a wave 5. And once we see the formation of a wave 5, then we could name that fractal wave as a higher Elliot wave count 1. And if I get a little bit into the details of this fractal wave so that it can give me the key scenarios that I expect to play out here on the Fantom chart, within a wave 2, which is a corrective wave, we expect to see an ABC correction, and we have it here on the charts, having that as the wave A. Then we saw a wave B, then completed the formation of a wave 2 by forming a wave C. Then we continued pushing higher in the formation of a wave 3, which I had a target area here on the charts, basing it on the trend-based Fibonacci's, connecting the low of the wave 1 to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the wave 2. That gave me a minimum target area for that third wave to the upside at around the $0.42 mark, and that is at around the fib level 1.618, which is a target area that we did not fully maximize. But after getting to around the $0.41 mark, we saw a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of what I believe was the formation of a wave 4, and I had a target area for that fourth wave to the lower side, and that I was basing it on the Fibonacci's. And because our wave 4 is a retracement of the third wave, we can use the fibs connecting the low of the wave 3 to the high of the wave 3, and that gave me a target area between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.382 as a maximum. And I can mark that target area here on the charts like that. And you can see Fantom continued to respect that. We came down into that target area for that fourth wave to the lower side, and because this is an Elliot wave structure, we also need to have invalidation points here on the charts. And for us to invalidate an Elliot wave structure, that can only happen in case the fourth wave retraces into the high of the first wave to the upside. So the high for that first wave, we made it at around the $0.32 mark, and I can mark it here on the charts like that using a dotted line. And you can see Fantom in that movement in the formation of a wave 4, we retraced into that high of that first wave of the Elliot wave structure, and having done so, that invalidated my Elliot wave structure, and I need to remove it here on the charts, and also remove these target areas and think of this movement to the upside as something else. And the only way we can term this upward movement as is just a massive ABC correction, which was correcting that impulsive movement to the lower side in that ABC correction. So this is a massive ABC correction, and we have made a high for that wave C. And after seeing a massive ABC correction, I believe whatever we are seeing on this other side is the formation of a 5-wave structure to the lower side. So it's possible we might see lower lows here on the Fantom chart, and it's possible that maybe the low for that ABC correction is not yet in, and whatever we have on this other side, this we can term it as the first wave to the lower side. Then I expect a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then a wave 5, which might be giving us lower lows here on the charts. And if I get into the details of the formation of this fractal wave so that it can give me the key scenarios that I expect to play out, we expect that first wave to retrace into the area which can be given by the Fibonacci's by connecting the low that we made down here to the high for that ABC correction. That should give us the minimum target area for that first wave to the lower side between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.382 as a maximum. And I can mark it out here on the charts like that, and then remove the fibs. You can see we have come down into that target area. We have even maximized it. So it's possible that the low for that first wave to the lower side is in, and whatever we are seeing in this nice recovery to the upside, this is what is forming a wave 2 to the upside. And using the Fibonacci's, we can get a target area for that second wave to the upside using the fibs connecting the high of that first wave to the low down here. That gives me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.5, which is the minimum that I expect that wave 2 to the upside to do, and that gives me the key scenarios that I expect to play out here. Now that we have found support at around the $0.28 mark and we are seeing a very nice recovery to the upside, it's possible that Fantom might continue pushing higher, manage to break above the key area of resistance at around the $0.32 mark, have a retest of that key area of resistance, and once the retest is a success, then we can continue pushing higher. And once we get into this yellow target area, then we can expect a reversal to the lower side in the formation of a third wave. And once this move plays out, then we can sketch out a target area for that third wave to the lower side. So that is what I expect here on the Fantom chart. We can continue pushing higher, get into our target area, then expect a very nice reversal to the lower side in the formation of a wave 3. Also taking a look at the indicators to see whether those movements here on the RSI will be supported. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 53 mark. And that means we have massive room for us to support any movement to maximize our yellow target area. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD we had printed a bullish cross down here. So it's possible we are going to see higher prices and maximize our yellow target area. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.